Hi students, welcome to Chemistry Online classes. Today I am discussing about the carboxylic acids. In carbonyl compounds, alanine ketones along with this carboxylic acid also is there. In carboxylic acid derivative also is there. That is called acid halides and anhydrides, esters, amides. But that syllabus is not there in our PUC. Only carboxylic acids are there. What is the general formula for carboxylic acids? RCOOH. This is the general formula for carboxylic acid. What is the general formula for R? Alkyl group, that is CnH2n plus 1. This alkyl group formula. Then this is COOH. If you add this H to here, then it is called CnH2nO2. Is correct or not? We will check now. N equal to 1. Put here 1. 2 into 1, 2. Then it is CH2O2. This is represented as like this. HC double bond O. OH. How many carbons? 1 carbon. How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. To satisfy the carbon balance. N equal to 2. C2. This is 2 into 2, that is 4 O2. Then it is represented as CH3, C double bond OH. 2 carbons, 4 hydrogen, 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen, and 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen. So this is a general formula for carboxylic acid. We have to remember this because which of the following is represents a carboxylic acid. That time they may give any other formulas also along with this 4 options. This will be the correct. Now, these carboxylic acids in the carbonyl group part is that this is carbonyl group part. This is hydroxyl part. Therefore, it is known as a carboxylic acid. Carbonyl plus hydroxide. This is totally known as carboxylic, and it is acidic nature, that's why acid is there. Carboxylic acid. Clear? This is hydroxyl group indicating here XYL, and this is carbonyl group indicating here carbo plus hydroxyl. Both is there, and its nature is acidic nature. That's why it is known as the carboxylic acid. Clear? So now this is aliphatic also, aromatic also. Now R, C double bond OH is general formula. This R may be in 2 ways. One is aliphatic, another is aromatic. If R is aliphatic, then aliphatic carboxylic acids. That is represented R C double bond OH. This R generally here aliphatic here. Then it is known as the CH3 C double bond OH acidic acid. Otherwise any other take here CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. This is propanoic acid. This is ethanoic acid. Next second one, aromatic. Aromatic carboxylic acids. Aromatic carboxylic acid. This is generally represented as ArCOOH. AR is aromatic. That is nothing but phenyl group. This is okay. One example here. This I can represent in the form of benzene and C double bond OH. This is called benzoic acid. Okay. This aliphatic also is aromatic acid. Now, these carboxylic acids are very essential for some other compound, or these are the starting material for some other compound preparation. Already I told you that its derivatives are there. What are its derivatives? Derivative one RCOCl or X right? X means halogen. This is called acid halide. Okay. And second one is RC double bond OR. This is called esters. Next third one is RC double bond OC double bond OR. This is called acid anhydrides. Anhydride means what is that? Water molecule loss. Next fourth one is amide. Like this, so many derivatives are there. Next, see, in carboxylic acids, C12 to C18, C12 to C18. It means how many carbons are there? Nearly 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You may be known in the 10th class level. Soap in what is that? Sodium or potassium salts are long chain carboxylic acid. That is called sodium stearate. So sodium stearate is having nearly 17 carbons. 17 or 8 near that carbons are. So these are having long chain carboxylic acid. Now you know glycerol. This is studied in alcohol chapter. This is trihydric alcohol. This is trihydric alcohol. If here acid and alcohol react to form which one? Esters. This is also discussed in the alcohol chapter. This is called esterification reaction. Fischer esterification. This alcohol acid react to form ester. Ester formula we know here now. What is it? RC double bond OR. RC double. This is R alkyl group. This is O from this side. RO. Next C double bond O. So I have to remove this water molecule lux actually. Then it is represented like this. C double bond O. 1, this also is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 like this. So this is long chain carboxylic acid react with the alcohol is formed ester bond. Like here also there is C double bond. This is long chain carboxylic acid. This is carbon C double bond. This is also long chain carboxylic. This acid bond react with the alcohol form ester. So these are the glycerol esters. What I am telling here, this C12 to C18 carbon carboxylic acids, it is also known as the higher carboxylic acid. Lower carboxylic acid means what is this? 2 carbon. Formic acid 1 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon carboxylic acids are known as lower level. When carbon number increases, that is known as the higher number. So higher numbers of carboxylic acid, that is from C12 to C18 are known as fatty acid. C12 to C18 carbon carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are known as what is that? Fatty acids. These are generally used for to prepare the soaps. Sometimes they ask in the one mark question also what is the fatty acids. From C12 to C18 carbon carboxylic acid or higher number carboxylic acids are known as fatty acids. Okay. So we know that detail about the carboxylic acid. Next its nomenclature will be there. Generally first a general discussion, next nomenclature, if any isomerism, next its preparation and properties. So now I will discuss about the nomenclature. In the nomenclature, this is alkyl group and this is carboxylic acid. It means in alkyl one hydrogen is less, that is called alkyl group. Therefore, this IUPAC name is known as alkane plus OIC acid. Because this carboxylic acid suffix name is what you call OIC acid. Then here remove E and write the remaining one alkanoic. Here, alkane, N, E removed, remaining oic acid. Oic acid. This is a IUPAC name. Remaining rules are applicable, not always this one. If substituents are present, substituent get the least number. But keep in mind, when carboxylic acid is there, it is always which one? Terminal. Always terminal means this carbon is counted. This carbon is counted. So this carbon always gets which number? 1. Always. If irrespective of all the rules, lowest sum rule, or substituent get the least number, everything. Because in the more than one functional groups are present, that time you may be studied that carboxylic acid will get the first priority. So this is first priority, so always it gets the first number. Okay. If any substituents are there, I will later discuss that. Next, common names. Common names. Actually, these are the earlier compound discovered or isolated from the nature. So many compounds are there in nature, but these are the few carboxylic acid earlier discovered in the nature. That's why common names are frequently used compared with the IUPAC. IUPAC name is okay, but if you observe any textbook or any other material, in that most of the names are common names are used for the writing any statements or any reaction. That time you will observe common name. For this chapter, we have to learn compared with the IUPAC name. Common names are frequently used, so we have to focus on that. Okay. Now, in the many cases, you know that this is formic acid. Very rare cases we are using its IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC of this formic acid? Methanoic acid. Very rare we are using. From first year also you are learning this IUPAC name, but anywhere you use it, it's methanoic acid. Rare. Formic acid word used, acetic acid word used, ethanoic acid word maybe used, but very rare condition is that. That's why in this chapter you have to focus on common name. Clear? So common names are generally derived from its nature or from its source, from where it is obtained. Formic acid is there. Formic acid name came from which one? Red ant. Formicus means in Latin what is called? Red ant. In the red ant it is present, formic acid. That's why when bite, then a little bit itching will be there. So that is due to this acid only. And some scorpion also is there. In that some poison will be there. That is also having some carboxylic acid. That will be lower level or higher level, but some carboxylic acids are there. So this carboxylic acid having sometimes poisons are some good also. Now these are formic acid uses 40% of formaldehyde, not formic acid. 40% of formaldehyde uses for which purpose? To preserve the specimens in the biological laboratory. So from that also these are derived as common names. Common names are generally derived from which language? Latin or Greek. Okay? And generally these are derived from their source, from where it is obtained or its nature. Some kind in your classroom also some friends may call you some other nicknames also. Why they are using that name based on your behavior or based on your village or somewhere. So that is source or your nature. That's why that nickname will come here. Their nickname is common names here. IUPAC name is registered name. That will not change. This may be changed. Now we are using acetic acid. After some time, if anybody will tell some name, that also it may be changed. 100% I am not telling here it is compulsory change. It depends. Okay. Now in your PUC level, they may call your friend some name. If you go to the higher level, that another name will come, nickname. But IUPAC name will be compulsory. It depends upon the rules. Okay. Now I will add a few compounds. Here there is no any rules here. Any rules not there here. Generally the previous case alcohol is there. Alcohol is there mean what is there? Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. That time what is the common name? Alkyl alcohol common name. We can write a name, but here not there. Here what is the name for this acetic acid? Acetic acid means what is it? Any alkyl group name will be nothing. That's why we can't say it is based on its derived nature, where it is obtained and source. So now I am writing here carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. IUPAC name, common name. Okay. Now take the from first carbon atom. First carbon carboxylic acid. then it is called methane, remove E, add oic acid, methanoic acid. This is IUPAC. Common name formic acid. It is derived from formicus. Formicus means what is it? Red ant. If you eat red ant also it having some sour nature. Okay? You can try. It's not that much poisonous. Little bit. That's why you can observe if black ant bite you, there is no much itching. When red ant bite that time, you will get some itching nature because of this methanoic acid. Next, CH3C double bond O, OH. How many carbons are there? Actually, this carbon is coming from this side, numbering 1, 2, not 1, 2 like this. Always carboxylic acid, carbon, first number. Then 2 carbon, ethane, remove E, oic acid. Okay, then its name what is it? Acetic acid. This is a common name. And how it is there already? Acetone. Acetone means what is it? Vinegar. That's what it is. Acetic. You know that vinegar used in somewhere in the cooking. Not this one. Right. Next. CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. How many carbons are there? 3 carbon. 3 carbon will use here alkane plus oic acid, propanoic acid. Next common name is propionic acid. Propionic acid. These are common name. Propionic acid. How it is derived? This is called first fat. Okay. First fat, that is called propionic acid. It is called propionic first fat. That's what it is called, propionic acid. Next, CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond OH. How many carbons are there? 4 carbon. 4 carbon means what is called butane. Remove E, then it is oic acid, butanoic acid. Then it is called butyric acid. Okay, butyric. It is called butyrum, means butter. It is derived from butter, that's what is called butyric acid, common name. Next, same way, carboxylic acid, IUPAC, common name. So first I am writing a carboxylic acid now. 4 carbon is completed now. 5th carbon, CH3, CH2, 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 C double bond OH. This is how many carbon? 5. So it is called pentane, remove E, add oic acid, pentanoic acid. But don't write this like this. For example, pentane, 1 oic acid if you write, that is wrong. Then you may ask the question here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct at first position only oic acid is there. If like this written, why it is wrong? That is also your question. Because already we know that always it carries which number? First one. No need to indicate. That's why like this representation is not there. Okay. That also we have to identify that. Next, common name. Common name what do you call? Valeric acid. Valeric acid. In alcohol also I told you that if 5 carbons are there, valeryl alcohol. If aldehyde is there, valeryl aldehyde. Here 5 carbon carboxylic acid is there, valeric acid. It is derived from valamine roots. Okay, it is isolated from valamine roots. That's what is called valeric acid. Like this carbon number increase, some common names are there, but in our textbook I hope up to butyric acid may be given. It's also maybe there or not, I don't know. But remember up to 5 carbon. Okay, 6, 7, 8 also is there in higher books, if you observe, all up to I think 10 carbons, they have their common names. So I am not discussing that, which is required for our text. So you will use a concrete reaction that I discuss here. Next, consider one more example with a double bond CH3, CH3, double bond CH, CH2, C double bond OH. Like any compound given. You may observe in your in-text question or solve exam like these questions are there. So that also I am discussing here. Okay. According to our rule, always it carries first number, then 2, 3, 4. You can get 5 here or 5 here. Anyone same. I want to here 5. Then at fourth position, what is there? Methyl group is there. Okay. Then first is substituent name, later the root word, next is suffix name. That we know in the first year. At first, fourth position we have this. Then 4 methyl. 4 methyl, total 5 carbons are there. Pent. Fourth or third position double bond. Third position double bond because we have to write the least number. Okay, third position. 3. E. But E removed like this. Here rule is there. Alkane E removed. Alkene is an E removed. Alkane is there also E removed. So 3E oic acid. I don't write here one oic acid because always one should not represent when carbonic acid. That's what it is called 4-methyl pent 3-enoic acid. Common name may not be there for some compounds. Okay. Nickname also for all nicknames is there. No. That's why here also common name for all not there. Next. CH3, CH double bond, CH, C double bond, OH. Now, like this one compound we discussed in the aldol reaction, because 2 moles of acetaldehyde react with the base, then it gives which one? One aldol, after heating it gives aldehyde, that is unsaturated, alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. That aldehyde name, common name is called crotonaldehyde. We have acid is there, that is called crotonic acid. Common name is crotonic acid. But IUPAC name here 1, 2, 3, 4. But 2 enoic acid. Enoic acid. Okay. Now CH double bond CH COOH COOH. Like this compound you may be studied in the first year in the geometrical isomerism. H, if it is, you can write like this also, no problem. H. Then which type of isomerism? Cis or trans? Cis, because same groups are same side is there. Then cis. Then it is also known as, we can different is no problem. Cis, but the cis form is known as malic acid. Sorry, common name malic acid. This is common name malic acid. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Then what we can say here? But. Second position double bond. Or from here, this side again second position will come. 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. That's the second position. 2. But 2E di. Sorry. One more thing you have to remember. Here E is removed, but here E will be present. Why? In the alcohol chapter I am telling here. When polyhydroxy or polyaldehyde or polycarboxylic acid, when poly more than one time the group is repeated, E will be retained. Retained it should be present, should not remove. So but 2E, here also 2E is there, but E not there, but here E present. So butene dioic acid. So what is small difference is there observed here? Here di is and E is there. Remaining but 2-enoic acid, but 2-enoic acid, but small difference is there. This is cis form is known as a malic acid. Trans form also is there. C double bond C, here H, here H, here COH, COOH. This is cis form, this is trans form. This trans form is known as fumaric acid. This commonly we have to remember. These IUPAC names are not generally used. Rare cases, that's why we have to remember common names only. I am stressing it. Same. What is the name here? Same name or different name? Same one. What is the change there? Nothing is changed. But 2E dioic acid. But in common name is a common name change when transformed. Got the point? That's why in examination, if like this given, then which form you have to write? You may ask the question. If they ask this name is given and below formulas are given A, B, C, D, then which form we have to choose? Malic acid, cis form you have to choose, or trans form you have to choose. That time question arises, confusion started. Then you may think that okay, nothing given, that's why both you have to choose. But they will mention specifically here cis, here trans. They will mention. If not mentioned, both will have to choose. Okay, that is the question. Okay, same name will come. Then if you want to specify, then you write a trans. That is the IUPAC name. Next. Now, take the aromatic. This is called C double bond OH. Generally, what you call this is benzoic acid. Common name also benzoic acid, and IUPAC also benzoic acid. Both are here considerable. Benzoic acid. But in some cases, I may be mentioned here on ring. Aldehyde group is there or carboxylic group is there. That time you have to use first cyclic group, then its name. How it is used as? Now it is called benzene. Cyclic name benzene. Its name is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. If you don't know how I wrote here, once you refer the aldehydes IUPAC name, there I clearly mentioned the rules. First ring, then carboxylic acid. If your aldehyde is there, benzene, carboaldehyde. If it is like this given, that time it is known as, we cannot say this benzoic acid, ring not there. Then what you have to say? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Ring name first, followed by its functional group name. If aldehyde is there, cyclohexane carboaldehyde. Next, now two COH groups are there. Two COH groups. Then how to pronounce this? IUPAC name? Benzene. One E should be written when more than one is present. But here also E present. But here E not there. When it is benzene ring completely pronounced, E will be there. Everything is considered. Because in examination you can't much concentrate on the alphabetical order. This number A, B, C, D. We will write immediately. One time E not there, maybe E present in the B option, but in first option E not there. That only will take. We don't know that. We will pronounce benzene carboxylic acid. Don't do like this. That's why read very clearly each and every letter. Benzene 1, 2, carboxylic acid. 1, 2, dicarboxylic acid. Because this is one position, second position.